To celebrate the new year, I spent the last few days gathering as many community builds that I could possibly find from 2022. The result is an ebook with almost 300 builds inside of it. Today, we're going to talk about this book. I'll show you how you can use it to get ideas and inspiration. We'll look at some of the builds and different things inside of it. And overall, just learn about this free book that you can download. First off, you'll see here the table of contents. This is basically, as you would expect, it has all the different sections that you can click on, and if you're interested in a specific thing, you can click on that and go to that specific section. Or, of course, you could just start at page 2 and just go through the whole book. It just all depends on what you want to do. But if you do click here, and let's say you go to outdoors and recreation and you look through the builds, and maybe you want to go back to the table of contents, there's a link at the bottom of the page. You can click that, and it'll take you back to the table of contents so you can maneuver around if you'd like. And if we go through the builds here, we can also see that there's multiple pictures, and a little bit different than in previous books. Usually I've kind of written a little bit of something about the builds, but in this one, actually just pulled what the original builder shared with their project. And there's also going to be a link on every page that I could find a link for the build. You can click on it and you can go see their original post or their original, social media post or community, whatever it may be. You can click on that and you'll be able to see that original thing and get some more details and more pictures and whatnot from the original builder, which I think is going to be really helpful. You see a build and you want to learn more about it, like this specific solution here on this 3D printer stand. It has a shock mount, and Jacob did something really clever. Maybe you want to know more about that. You can click on here and you can go see his original post, even ask Jacob questions about it, and just learn specific solutions and techniques and things like that. So that's really what this is meant to be, a helpful resource so you can have a all-in-one resource for getting ideas and inspiration from people that have built with Conduit and MakerPipe and other things in the past. With that said, I had a ton of fun putting this together, and it was really great to just go back and see all the awesome stuff that you guys have done with Conduit and MakerPipe and other things. But this will be linked down below if you want to download it. Thanks everybody for all your support this year. We really appreciate it, and we're really looking forward to 2023. And we hope everybody has a happy new year. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.